Welcome back, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to join you across time and space. If you're feeling a bit stressed today, anxious, worried about the future, depressed about the past, ashamed about a mistake, guilty, resentful, or revengeful, feeling like a villain, or maybe you're just big chillin'. Hey, whatsoever you got going on, I'm glad that you would join me. We're gonna take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. Trust in our capability to go beyond our suffering into more joy, peacefulness, love. Opening our minds to the possibility of actually loving ourselves. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware, extending your spine if possible, dropping the shoulders, relaxing your jaw. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in, feeling your belly and chest rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing your face. Inhaling love. And exhale, saying goodbye to fear. Breathing in trust. And exhale, saying goodbye to anxieties. Feeling anxiety leave the mind, leave the body. Letting go of anger, letting go of frustrations, letting go of insecurities, negativities. Yeah. Taking 3 breaths in and exhale 3 times. And again, following my lead. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale, let go. Relaxing your belly, relaxing your face, bringing a smile. Smiling at the pain, the anger, the self-hatred, knowing that this is not you. Coming into your awareness, which observes all these transient emotions, critiques, negativity, insecurity, knowing that you are beyond all of this. Taking a deep breath in and exhaling. Coming back to trust, coming back to love, breathing in awareness, exhaling awareness. Every cell in your body breathing in. Every cell in your body exhale. Breathing in compassion for the pain. And exhale, letting go of it. Opening your chest, opening your mind, into the blessings that is already here. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale out. The color for today is orange. The number is 0. And the animal is a stallion. Taking one more deep breath for now. Hold. And exhale. Returning home to yourself with the sound of the bell. Returning home to love with the sound of the bell. Returning home to consciousness with the sound of the bell. Thank you for joining me, my dear friend. Sending you a big hug across time and space. Wishing you an abundance of love on your journey. Don't identify with these anxieties and anger and shame. It's not you, because they're coming and going. Try to observe. Okay, I feel ashamed today. I feel worried today. I feel anxious today. Try to observe when that feeling is gone and note that. Note that the anxiety was there and now it's gone. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.